Chef Paisley, and today I'm going to show you how to make quesadillas. This is my special teddy bear named Fairy Bear, and she's just going to say hi. Hi! She's my Build-A-Bear. Hi, let's cook a special treat together. Come on, let's go. First, you put the tortilla on the griddle or stove. Then you add some cheese. You might have to sprinkle a handful or maybe a little more. You'll have to be very, very careful with the griddle or stove. They're very, very hot. You'll have to put the cheese in the middle and spread it almost to the sides. You should put almost a lot of cheese and leave some for the rats and mice. I'm going to add the chicken. You can also add green peppers, steak, beans, or spinach. Chicken. Now I'm going to add the green onions. Don't worry, your eyes won't hurt. Now the tomatoes. Let's check. Huh? Now I'm going to fold it in half. Stay here. You'll know when it's done, when it's nice and almost golden brown. Now we're going to cut it, and you'll have to put a towel or a rag under the cutting board so the cutting board doesn't slip. We're going to use a pizza cutter to cut the quesadilla. You'll have to find the middle, push down hard, and roll. Come on. Hiya. Okay. Now we're going to do something very special with the quesadillas. And you're probably wondering why I have fairy wings on. I'm going to show you right now. Let's plate it. Ooh. I'm using a carrot, a grape, and 2 red peppers. Yeah. Ta-da! A butterfly. Now I'm going to taste test. Wow, that butterfly broke. It's okay. No worries. You're gonna eat it anyways. Very good. Thanks for watching. You can also subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you next time.